Hey guys, so I have a new update from Blackview. Apparently, Blackview will be launching the Blackview BL9000 Pro, the Pro version of the BL9000. And the Pro version will be coming with a thermal camera, which is a very good thing because the BL9000 doesn't even feature a night vision camera. It only has a 50MP primary sensor and a 13MP ultra wide angle lens. So the BL9000 has dual rear cameras and it has a rear display as well, but it doesn't feature a night vision or a thermal camera. But the Pro version that is coming very soon from Blackview is going to feature a thermal camera and it's going to be powered by FLIR. So I'm expecting it to be the FLIR Leptin 3.5 at least. Okay. Anyways, the BL9000 Pro would be a 5G device just like the BL9000. So I'm expecting it to be powered by the Dimensity 8020, just like the BL9000. I'm also expecting the phone to have the same display size and of course other specs of this phone to be very similar to the specs of the BL9000, but I'm only speculating. Okay, as for the release date, I don't really know, but I'm expecting it to be in April. The device would likely launch in April. So this is the update that I have for you guys. The BL9000 Pro is coming very soon and it's coming with a thermal camera, guys. So I think this is amazing, and it's also going to support 5G like I mentioned earlier. So what are your thoughts, guys? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.